I'm here to help you understand what Shopify does, how it can help you sell online, and what the pros and cons are. Plus, I'll share some examples of real Shopify stores to give you a better idea. So Shopify is a powerful platform for selling online. It has everything you need to set up and run an online store, which is why so many people use it for their businesses. Shopify helps you handle a bunch of tasks that would normally take a lot more time and money. For example, it lets you build a website, manage products, and track inventory without needing to hire a big team or have a background in web development. With the built-in tools that are already inside of Shopify, you can create a professional website in just an hour or two, even if you're completely new to this. So that's why many people love it, because it makes building an attractive online store so easy, and it helps you automate things like inventory management and promotions. That way you can focus on growing your business instead of getting stuck with all the technical stuff. Shopify makes website customization super easy. You get to choose from lots of different templates, which are like ready-made designs for your store. There are both free and paid options for the templates. After selecting a template, you can start adding your personal touch, like changing the colors, the fonts, the images to fit your style. This approach ensures you have a polished, professional website without needing to design everything from scratch. You can also add as many products as you want, organize them, and manage your marketing campaign all in one place. Plus, since Shopify is a cloud-based platform, you can access your store from anywhere, anytime with the internet connection, whether it's on your laptop, desktop, or your phone. Not only does Shopify enable you to create your own website, but it also allows you to own your store's data. This means you have full control over your store, unlike having to rely solely on third-party platforms like selling on Amazon or eBay. You also have the flexibility to sell different types of products. So in addition to selling physical items, you also have the ability to sell digital products, coaching services, recurring memberships, and even offer gift cards. It's truly a platform that allows you to build a business that fits your exact needs. For those of you with a physical store alongside an online shop, Shopify provides tools to keep everything organized, including a point of sale feature. This feature allows you to track payments and inventory all in one place, whether you are selling online or in person. Plus, Shopify seamlessly connects with the different social media platforms, so you can sell directly on places like Instagram or TikTok Shop. Handling payments is also straightforward, with options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and credit cards, both online and offline. This gives your customers flexibility, while you can rely on secure payment systems trusted by thousands of businesses. If your business deals with a lot of inventory, they can be tracked automatically, and Shopify even can send you alerts if your product is running low on stock, so you know exactly when you need to restock your products without having to track your inventory levels constantly. And to better understand your store's performance, Shopify includes analytics that shows details like website visits, what's being added to carts, and your top selling products. This information can guide you in optimizing your pricing, your products, and your overall customer experience. On top of that, you can also add a blog to your store, which can attract visitors through helpful content. Shopify offers a huge selection of apps and integrations, from email marketing to text message marketing. For instance, you can set up automatic emails or text messages that go out to your customers who added their product to their cart but have not yet purchased, so you can remind them of their abandoned carts. You can also send them marketing messages when you have any promotions going on in your business. So these apps and integrations help you generate more sales and encourage more repeat business. If you ever need help, Shopify has a marketplace full of e-commerce experts to answer questions and to guide you along the way. Next, let me show you some of the actual examples of Shopify stores. So the first one I found here is Gymshark, which is a pretty popular fitness brand that sells a wide range of stylish and functional gym clothing. They also sell many fitness related accessories as well. Another one is Huel, which is a company that makes plant-based meals, drinks, and supplements. They also use the Shopify platform to set up their online store. So Shopify is very popular among many big brands, even including Kylie Cosmetics, for example. They also rely on the Shopify platform. But Shopify is not only limited to well-known brands, it also works extremely well for many individual sellers and new businesses as well. So the way that I will go about identifying them is to go to the website and go to settings and go to the inspect tools, or it could be called the developer tool. We can click on it and just search for Shopify. And then if Shopify shows up, then the odds are they are using Shopify for their online store. So what are the drawbacks with Shopify? To me, there really isn't too many, I would say. It's a pretty frictionless experience for most people. I would say a small drawback would be if you want some of the more fancier customizations, then other platforms like WordPress might offer you more in-depth customization options, but they are much complex to use and come with a much steeper learning curve. So for most users, I would say Shopify is probably your best bet for making an online store. It's the easiest platform to use. They simplify the process by integrating everything you need in one place. So that's why I think Shopify is such a great platform. And I will leave a direct link to a free trial down below so you can try it out risk-free to see if it's a good fit for you. It will be our affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra when you use it, but we do get a commission. That is how we're able to keep our content free. So I really appreciate the support for the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please share with me below, and I hope to see you in the next video.